So we have created the part 1, which consists of cuboid and a hole punched into it. Now, before I show you the assembly, first we need to have at least 2 parts so that we can move into the assembly. So now I'm going to create the second part of this. So the second part that I'm going to create is a screw, whereby the screw will be put inside this hole here. Okay. So now go to this create new file icons. No, before that we have to save this first. Well, to save this, click on this, save. Now you have to point to the folder that you would like to save. Okay, let's say I'm going to save it into ProE tutorial, and then this is the part 1's name of it. So just click OK. Okay, so this 3D model is saved as a name part 1. Okay, now I'm going to create the second 3D models. Go to create new, and then part here. Let me rename it as part 2. Okay, so subtype is still the same, solid. Click OK. It brings us a new window. Now I'm going to create a screw. Okay. So to create a screws, we start from, maybe I start from the front plane as well. On the front planes, view normal. So the screw, I'm going to use the create on the sketch to draw on the front plane. And then we're going to using the sketch of this called palette. Okay. So this, click on the palette to bring the predefined solid shape. Let's say I'm going to use a 6-sided hexagon. Okay, so you can drop in here and click close. Now I have these 6-sided hexagons. If I'm satisfied with it, I click OK. Right, now I still can change the dimension of this. Let's say I want to change the size of this. This is at the 8.4. Then if let's say I want to change this, maybe change this to 15. Reduce the size, and then click to fit here. Now this is our first sketch. Now these 6-sided hexagons, we want to extrude it with a certain thickness. So now we can go to this sketch 1, click OK. Again to this sketch, go to the extrude features, click on extrude. Now we can extrude the thickness of this. Let's say the thickness is just 5. Okay. You satisfy, click OK. Now I want to create another extrude fixtures onto these 6-sided hexagons. So I'm going to create on this plane. Okay. Go to the fit windows. Now here I'm going to draw a circle, but these circles need to be drawn at the intersections of this. Now I don't know where is the center point of this 6-sided hexagon. Where is the center point? I don't know. But what we can do is we can use center line as a reference. Okay, so click the center line once, and then we're going to click this one reference point, and then this another at the middle. So the intersection of this will be the center point of the 6-sided hexagon. Now I'm going to create a circle, center and point, and then go to this middle here, click once and drag, and click one more times, then you create a circle. Okay. Now these circles, what I'm going to do is that I want to extrude this circle, right? And then go to this sketch, extrude features, Then you can press the middle mouse button and rotate it. You can see we have extruded this. Okay, now so for these extrusions, the length of the, let's say, is 15. Okay, so we have extends 15 units from the base of this 6-sided hexagon. Okay, now so I have to redefine what is my sketch dimensions. Okay, this sketch, these diameters, let's say this diameters, what I like is 10. Okay, and then press OK. So this will be the screw. Okay, the second part. So this is the second part, the screw. Right. Now I'm going to save this part that we'll be using in the next tutorial, which is we're going to use the two part, the cuboid and this screw. Okay, we're going to save this, click on save. Now in this ProE tutorial, we're going to name this as part 2. Okay. So this and the sessions. So the next sessions, we will see the assembly part.